Scotland's most senior law officer will not support a private prosecution of the driver of the Glasgow bin lorry which crashed, killing 6 people. Lord Advocate Frank Mulholland's decision comes after a family which lost 3 members in the tragedy began steps to prosecute Harry Clarke. Mr. Mulholland said the Crown's decision not to prosecute due to insufficient evidence remained unchanged. The family can only proceed now if they have permission from High Court judges. In a statement, the Crown Office said, the Lord Advocate has declined to grant concurrence to the bill for criminal letters seeking a private prosecution of the driver of the bin lorry involved in the George Square fatalities on December 22, 2014. The original decision not to take criminal proceedings was made on the basis that there was insufficient evidence in law to prove that a crime had been committed, and that position remains unchanged. The Sweeney/McQuaid family want Mr. Clarke prosecuted as a fatal accident. Inquiry found the crash could have been avoided if he had not lied about his medical history. Mr. Clarke, 58, was unconscious when the Glasgow City Council bin lorry veered out of control, killing 6 people and injuring 17 others. Those who died in the crash were Erin McQuaid, 18, her grandparents Jack Sweeney, 68, and his 69-year-old wife Lorraine, from Dumbarton, Stephanie Tate, 29, and Jacqueline Morton, 51, both from Glasgow, and Gillian Ewing, 52, from Edinburgh. The Crown Office later said that no one would face charges over the crash, a move which was criticised by some of the bereaved families. In a separate case, the Lord Advocate has also said that he will not support a private prosecution by the families of 2 students who were killed by a driver with a history of blackouts. Harry Convey, 18, and Laura Stewart, 20, died after William Payne passed out and his Range Rover hit them on North Hanover Street, Glasgow, in 2010. An attempt to prosecute Mr. Payne was later dropped by the Crown in 2013. The girls' families had lodged a bill of criminal letters with the Crown Office in a bid to start a prosecution. In a statement, the Crown Office said, the Lord Advocate has declined to grant concurrence to the bill for criminal letters seeking a private prosecution of the driver of vehicle involved in the North Hanover Street fatalities on December 17, 2010. The original decision not to take criminal proceedings was made on the basis that there was insufficient evidence in law to prove that a crime had been committed, and that position remains unchanged. Like the bin lorry case, the Convey and Stewart families can now only proceed with a private prosecution if they have permission from High Court judges.